Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Tony.
Thank you so much for opening this video. We are in Jamaica. We are in the parish of St. Elizabeth. To be exact, we're in Goshen, St. Elizabeth. And we just actually passed Genesis Manor, where we have some 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms selling for 27 million. Those of you who want to buy Genesis Manor, give me a call on that one. And you can click below and see the video. But right now we are heading to a piece of land that we will be having for sale. So ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned. We're going to make a left turn. Alright, remember YouTube Live is back. I'm back. So therefore YouTube Live is back on a Sunday at 3 p.m. So you can come and ask me a question. Ask me about money, finance, wealth. You can ask me about anything else that you think I might have the answer to. That signs just said it. Did it say Goshen Primary School? It said something. Alright, so Goshen, they've given you a brand new road. The government of Jamaica, brand new road. This is Arts Premium Hardware on the left. So I am about to make the left turn coming up. Slow down, Mr. Driver. This is it, my indicator.
In 500 meters, turn left.
Thank you, Google. Now you're saying it. You should have told me in 1 second, turn left, man.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Alright, thank you, Google. Alright, so we're heading up to this land that's for sale. Could be the home to somebody on this channel right now. Alright, so you should look out for other videos. We have coming up Palmbrook Estate. We also have, which one, Tonya? Hayes Clarendon. Hayes is a fixer-upper.
It's called
Newtown, I do believe. We also have, which other one? We said Palmbrook Estate already. Waterford.
Ensom or Eltham?
Eltham.
Eltham.
We have an Eltham coming up. Also have Annette Crescent, which is off Waterloo Road. That will be an apartment. And we'll also have the Cumberland coming up. So ladies and gentlemen, enough things are going on. So you have to stay tuned, right? We brought to you Edmond Ridge last week. So you want to Edmond Ridge, remember to go on the Housing Agency of Jamaica website and sign up. Some of you would have missed Catherine Estates. I still have people WhatsApping me. But Catherine Estates is basically booked out, everybody. They had more applications than houses. So if you didn't get one of those, then you just miss out on that one. We also have coming up a 5 acre, is it 5 acres or a little less? 4 point something acres.
Right.
Coming up in front of, across from Out of the Blue.
Yes.
We have that one coming up.
That one is house and land.
House and land, right. With some basis for some, if you wanted a chicken farm, that would be a good one for you.
Or you could create greenhouses.
Greenhouses. Oh yeah, you could actually. You could create greenhouses. We also brought you a pyramid, a house in Pyramid Heights. That's for sale, a 9 bedroom, 7 bathroom house. Pyramid Heights, that's for sale. So you can look at that one as well. So ladies and gentlemen, you need to stay tuned. Remember, if you have not yet subscribed, that you should subscribe, because we bring to you the new developments coming out. We bring to you resales, lots of resales. We bring you farmlands, acreages of lands that you can buy and realize your dream of land banking. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have out in Spanish Down, Tony, Ballater. We only have 9 of the 1 bedroom duplexes left.
Yes,
For 11.5 million. 9 of the duplexes. So those of you who have been listening, wanting to buy a duplex, you keep saying you don't have any money, you don't have this and you don't have that. Well, all the people who come to me say they don't have no money, have them name for a duplex their ball and a whatever. Come on, and a hideout.
We've been selling Ballater
And a duck.
for a little under a year now, since
Yeah.
last September.
Right.
If you've been saying you don't have any money since September, you would have had some money by now.
You should have had some money by
Yeah.
now, right? It
At
is
least
now
a
July. At least a deposit, you could have saved that. Or you could have begged it, right? Or you could have gotten it from your refund contributions. That's contribution refund towards deposit. That's what it's called. Whereas I could have gotten it. Of the insurance policies, if you had called your mother a foreign or your brother a foreign and said, "Boy, Miss Davis have some house I selling a more one. Have my NHT, but I don't have no deposit." Last week I spoke about vendor's mortgage. Right? What's a vendor's mortgage? It's when me, the seller, actually gives you the mortgage. Are you in a property now that you could explore a vendor's mortgage? But you haven't thought about it. Alright, so you need to get with it, guys. Come on. We only have 9 of the Ballaters left. And we started selling them when in September. So
Right.
we're basically almost sold out.
I have some 2-bed, 1-bath.
So we had 2-bed, 1-baths in the duplex, but now we're down to 1 bed, 1 bath in the duplex, 11.5, and they started at 10.5. Now those persons who booked their unit at 10.5 have already made a profit. Isn't that so, Tonya?
Yes.
They have. All right, I think I'm at where I need to be now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I'll see you inside.